So, hello all. Today we'll be discussing about a small application that I built using Python and OpenAI. So, this is an interactive language learning chatbot that we can use. So, here is mm, the platform built using Streamlit UI. I have also hosted it on Render. I'll be giving you the hosted URL link in the description of the video. So, here you have some options to select your the language that you want to learn, the native language, and your proficiency in the language that you want to learn. Then you have an option to generate a scenario. The scenario basically sets a context in which you would want to have a conversation with the chatbot. So here is the scenario: a morning at a Spanish cafe. So it says there are two users, two characters. That is a user. The role this role will be assuming, and barista, who is a friendly local who enjoys helping visitors practice their Spanish. So this role will be assumed by the system. Now let us start with the conversation. So the system has already said hello. So we'll say hello in return. So the system says ¿Cómo estás? So I'll say Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? What about you? Yes. So now it says estoy bien. Also, it has corrected our mistake that I didn't give the accent on to. That so it has corrected that, and also the question mark before I was supposed to give that I haven't. So it has corrected my mistakes. Estoy bien, gracias. ¿Qué te gustaría? What would you like to have today? So I would just say uh, un café con leche, por favor. Okay. So, okay, so it says un café con leche, so I would just say yes. And yeah, so this is how the conversation is supposed to continue. Now we can just mark it. So it says muy bien, te gustaría algo más, and the conversation is getting continued. So, but I would just want to, close this conversation here. So when I click end chat, it will populate some conversation summary. Total mistakes made, I have made two mistakes. Here I have made a spelling mistake. The word bien was misspelled as bien, bein. In Spanish bien means well, etc. And then again, there is another mistake. The I think the same mistake is repeated, so you can see the analysis that is coming over here. Now let us go to a code walkthrough. So this is a code that I have built. I have created two systems, two agents basically. First is who is generating the scene. This is the prompt that I'm using. And second is the chat. So this is what I'm using to have a conversation with the user. We are also saving the user conversations into a database using the database.py file. This is a SQLite basic database. And we finally have this file which is merging everything together. I have also set it up using Docker, so we can also install it using Docker. The whole README file is ready. I have also hosted it on Render, so let me go to the hosted URL. So this is the hosted URL. You can see me having a conversation here on the hosted URL as well. So you can see it is hosted on this particular URL. I'll be giving this link in the description, so you can refer to it. Here is the GitHub repository which has set GitHub actions and everything for the CI/CD and deployment thing. Here is the complete README for the documentation purpose. And yeah, so that is all. Let me know if you like the tool. Thank you so much.